Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my amazing students, how are you doing? Are you ready for the English time? I hope you are always happy and always be ready to learn English with me. Now, we are going to study about present continuous tense and past continuous tense. So, in the end of the learning process, I hope you can get the learning objective of this material. What are they? First, you can ask for and give information about ongoing activities. Second, you can ask for and give information about ongoing activities in the past. Okay students, before we start our lesson today, I want to ask you to observe the activities in this picture. In the picture, you can look that Dayu is listening to music when she is walking outside the bank. She is wearing an earphone. When Siti and Lina call her, Dayu doesn't hear it. Siti says to Lina, "Hey, that's Dayu! Dayu! Dayu!" Then Lina says, "I don't think she hears you. She has her earphones on her ears. Maybe she's tuning on the music loudly." Pada gambar ini, kalian bisa melihat bahwa Dayu sedang mendengarkan musik ketika dia berjalan keluar dari bank. Dia sedang memakai earphone. Jadi, ketika Siti dan Lina memanggilnya, Dayu tidak mendengar. Siti berkata kepada Lina, "Hai, itu ada Dayu. Hai Dayu, Dayu." Kemudian Lina berkata, "Saya kira Dayu tidak mendengarmu. Dia menggunakan earphone di telinganya. Mungkin dia sedang mendengarkan musik dengan keras." Now, look at the second picture. Edo asks Udin to have a break outside the classroom, but Udin is staying on his desk. Edo says, "Udin, let's go out. Everybody is staying outside." But Udin answered it by saying, "Be quiet please. I'm trying to concentrate. I'm studying history for the test tomorrow." Sekarang, lihatlah gambar yang kedua. Edo meminta Udin untuk beristirahat di luar ruangan kelas. Tetapi Udin tetap diam di bangkunya. Edo lalu berkata, "Udin, ayo kita keluar. Setiap orang sedang berada di luar sekarang." Akan tetapi Udin menjawabnya dengan mengatakan, "Diam, saya sedang mencoba untuk konsentrasi. Saya sedang belajar sejarah untuk ulangan esok hari." Now, look at the third picture. When Lina is making a pastry in the kitchen, the phone is ringing. Sekarang, perhatikan gambar yang ketiga. Ketika Lina sedang membuat pastel di dapurnya, telepon berbunyi. Lina's mother say, "Lina, Benny's calling." Ibunya Lina berkata, "Lina, Benny menelpon." But Lina says, akan tetapi Lina berkata, "I can't come to the phone now, Mom. Saya tidak bisa menerima teleponnya sekarang, Bu. I'm mixing the flour and the eggs for the pastry. Saya sedang mengaduk terigu dan telur untuk membuat pastel. My hand is full of dough. Tangan saya penuh dengan adonan. Please tell him I call him back soon. Tolong katakan pada Benny saya akan menelponnya lagi segera." Next, look at the last picture. Sekarang, perhatikan gambar yang terakhir. Siti asks Edo, "Where are her friends?" Siti bertanya kepada Edo di mana teman-temannya. Siti says, "Where are the others? They are not having lunch now." Di mana teman-teman yang lain? Apa mereka tidak makan siang? Edo says. Lalu Edo menjawab, "No, they are all in the library." Tidak, mereka semua sedang berada di perpustakaan. They're looking for some text about animals and plants in the encyclopedia. Let's go and join them. Mereka sedang mencari beberapa teks tentang binatang dan tumbuh-tumbuhan dalam ensiklopedia. Ayo kita pergi dan bergabung dengan mereka. From those pictures, we find out some identical sentence. Dari gambar-gambar tadi, kita menemukan beberapa kalimat yang mirip. They are antara lain, she's turning on the music loudly. Everybody is staying outside. I'm trying to concentrate. I'm studying history for the test tomorrow. I'm mixing. Ben is calling. They are not having lunch now. They are looking for some textbook about animals and plants in the encyclopedia. What are the sense and the difference from the sentence? Apa persamaan dan perbedaan dari kalimat-kalimat tadi? Yes, that's right. The sentence use the same form of verb, that is pub-ing, that are tuning, staying, trying, studying, mixing, calling, having, looking. Jadi, ada kesamaan dari kalimat-kalimat tadi, yaitu kalimat-kalimat tadi sama-sama menggunakan kata kerja dalam bentuk verb-ing, seperti tuning, staying, trying, dan sebagainya. Am, is, and are used in the sentences is called to be. Kata am, is, dan are yang digunakan dalam kalimat-kalimat tadi disebut dengan to be. So, the sentence have the same pattern. Maka kalimat-kalimat ini memiliki pola yang sama. That is, yaitu subject, to be, and verb-ing. If the subject he, she, and it, we add to be is before verb-ing. He is trying. She is cooking. It is swimming. If the subject I, so we add to be am before verb-ing. Jika subjeknya adalah I, maka kita menambahkan to be am sebelum verb-ing. I am singing. I am writing. If the subject you, we, and they, so we add to be are before verb-ing. Jika subjeknya you, we, dan they, maka kita menambahkan to be are sebelum verb-ing. So, what is the pattern called? Lalu, pola ini disebut dengan apa? We called it present continuous tense. Kita menyebutnya dengan present continuous tense. We use present continuous tense to talk about things happening at this moment or at the time of speaking. Kita menggunakan present continuous tense untuk membicarakan tentang hal-hal yang terjadi pada saat ini atau pada saat berbicara. When Siti and Lina call Dayu, Dayu doesn't hear them because at the time she is tuning the music loudly. Pada saat Siti dan Lina memanggil Dayu, Dayu tidak mendengar mereka. Karena pada saat itu she is tuning the music loudly. Dia sedang menyalakan musik dengan keras. When Edo asks Udin to go out to the classroom, Udin asks Edo to be quiet because at the time he is trying to concentrate and he is studying for the test. Pada saat Edo meminta Udin untuk keluar kelas, Udin menyuruh Edo untuk diam karena pada saat itu dia sedang mencoba untuk berkonsentrasi dan dia sedang belajar untuk ulangan besok. When Lina's mother said that Ben is calling, Lina can come to the pond because she is mixing the flour and the eggs for the parsley. Pada saat tadi ibunya Lina mengatakan Benny menelepon, Lina tidak bisa menerima teleponnya karena dia sedang mencampur terigu dan telur untuk pastel. Siti asks Edo, where are her friends? Ketika Siti bertanya pada Edo di mana teman-temannya, Edo mengatakan, they are not having lunch because they are all in the library. Mereka pada saat itu tidak sedang makan siang karena mereka sedang berada di perpustakaan. They are looking for some text about animals and plants in the encyclopedia. Mereka sedang mencari beberapa teks tentang hewan dan tumbuhan dalam ensiklopedia. Alright, now look and learn this video. Are there any sentences in the form of present continuous tense in the dialogues? Let's watch it together.
A. Look and learn. Hi, Andy. Why are you still here?
Good afternoon, Miss Yanti. I'm waiting for Miss Yeti.
Why are you waiting for her?
I want to ask her about the homework.
Oh, don't you know that she's absent today?
No, I don't.
Did you tell her that you wanted to meet her today?
No, Miss Yanti.
Well, she's having a meeting with other teachers at the Department of Education office right now.
I see. Okay then, I'll go home. Thank you for the information, Miss Yanti.
You're welcome, Andy. See you.
See you.
Dalam video tadi, Ibu Yanti menyapa Andi dan bertanya kenapa Andi masih berada di sekolah saat itu. Andi menjawab, I'm waiting for Miss Yeti. Saya sedang menunggu Ibu Yeti. Lalu Ibu Yanti berkata bahwa hari ini Ibu Yeti tidak masuk sekolah karena ada rapat dengan guru lain di kantor Depdikbud. Ibu Yanti berkata, she's having a meeting with other teachers at the Department of Education office right now. Jadi, pada saat Bu Yanti berbicara dan menyapa Andi, saat itu Andi sedang melakukan suatu kegiatan, yakni Andi sedang menunggu Ibu Yeti. Dan pada saat Andi berbincang-bincang dengan Ibu Yanti, di tempat lain, Ibu Yeti sedang mengadakan rapat bersama guru-guru lainnya. Itulah yang dimaksud dengan fungsi present continuous tense untuk menjelaskan kegiatan yang sedang berlangsung pada saat ini atau pada saat berbicara. Now, let's watch the video and find out the present continuous tense in the dialogue.
E. Practice the dialogue with a friend.
Excuse me, sir. Can I talk to Miss Riri?
I'm sorry, Atika. She is teaching at the moment.
Is she? But Miss Riri told me to meet her at 10, sir.
She has to substitute for Miss Sinta. Miss Sinta is absent today.
Well, that's okay, sir. I'll be waiting outside.
Pada dialog tadi, Atikah meminta izin kepada kepala sekolah untuk berbicara pada Ibu Riri. Tetapi Pak Kepala Sekolah tidak memberikan izin pada Atikah karena Ibu Riri sedang mengajar pada saat itu. Karena harus menggantikan Ibu Sinta yang sedang absen pada hari itu. Pak Kepala Sekolah berkata, I'm sorry Atikah, she is teaching at the moment. Dia sedang mengajar saat ini. Now, look at the picture and answer my questions. Add the right to be and verb in to answer the questions. What are the children doing? The children are listening to their father's story. What is Siti doing? Siti is playing badminton with his friends. What is the rabbit doing? The rabbit is jumping from the fence. What is Mr. Chandra doing? Mr. Chandra is speaking at the podium. What are you doing? We are dancing in this festival. Okay, my amazing students, from my explanation we can conclude some points. Present continuous tense is a pattern of sentence used to talk about ongoing activities or things happening at this moment or at the time of speaking. Okay, my amazing students, that's all my explanation about present continuous tense. I hope you get clear comprehensions. Don't forget, always practice your English. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.